So this is how you can find documents on your MacBook. So at first, I want you to locate the Finder app, which is essentially your documents browser. So it looks like a folder, so you can open up basically any folder which you have on the home screen or anywhere else. But if you cannot find it, just go to the All Apps view or the launcher and find the Finder right there. It should be available or visible somewhere in there, right? So you just tap on it and some random folder is going to open up. Then as you are inside of any of your folders, I want you to look at the left panel, and usually you have the favorites in there, which includes like usually the apps, desktop, downloads, and documents, and you can find all of them in here. If not, tap on Finder in the top left corner and click on the settings and choose what is supposed to be contained in the sidebar. So you can also add your documents or other folders in there as well. But essentially, if you want to find documents, it's likely that they are going to be in the documents or downloads folder. On the other hand, each folder in your Finder has the search button. So if you know the specific name of your file, you can also just look it up right here, but you also just can look it up by the extension or by the file type, right? So if you have the, I don't know, like a PDF file or whatever, then you can just type that into the search bar, and they're gonna show up all of the files which either contain the word PDF in the title or they are actually a PDF. So it really depends on which kind of file you are looking for, but it is very likely that you're going to find it in one of these ways and solutions. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it, or if not, what's really going on, because otherwise I don't really think that you are actually having them on your computer if you cannot find them this way. So let me know below, but that's it. Thanks a lot, and that's gonna be everything from me. See you guys later in the next video.